my app Indigo Kids IQ test got rewarded ads disallowed rewarded implementation. This is a serious issue and must be fixed. Let's try to understand what is the issue is. Rewarded ads may only be served after a user affirmatively opts to view a rewarded ad. Additionally, a user must opt to view each rewarded ad individually and cannot opt in to automatically seeing rewarded ads. So, my issue is that I do not show a banner like this. I show interstitial and rewarded ads without this banner. So you need to add a banner like this with a close button, a title like watch a video to unlock a new character or get a new reward with a watch now button. When user press this button, you will show rewarded ads. Thank you and good luck.